Hi, thanks for checking in. You're at Air Engine Research, where I'm building various prototype compressed air engines. Right now I'm thinking about doing a winter project and maybe restoring this older 5-cylinder. If I do decide to use this one, I'm going to have to make new valves for it and redesign some parts on it so that the timing works better than the way that I had it originally designed. But for a winter project, that's not too much trouble. But I'd like to see what you think. You may have to look at it a couple times to, go back and look at how fast the wheel is turning, or, what happens when it goes up the hill, those sort of things. Thinking of which one I would like to try to put on my lawnmower body with the 6-speed belt drive. I'd appreciate letting me know which one you think would be the better one to work on over the winter as a winter project, I guess. The little short videos are the 5-cylinder first, then the 4-cylinder, and last, my 3-cylinder oval engine. I think I boiled it down to 2. I think my choice would be the 5-cylinder, this next, and last of all, the oval engine, which I thought was going to be the best one, but it seems like this one has good power, and this one seems to have good power and also go the fastest. In the videos, this one, the distance that I went was about 3 times what it was with the other two. So you have to take that into consideration. But I mean, it went up the hill good, went down, come back on 3 cylinders good, and it didn't really use that much air compared to the other two, although it does have a crankshaft design. This has an orbital design, and then the other one had an oval ring design. But I'd appreciate whichever one you think would be best. Just please let me know in a comment. if you think you like what I'm doing, give me a thumbs up. And any comments, I read everyone. I try to answer everyone also. And once again, I appreciate you looking in. For anyone who would like to subscribe, please check the little bell up at the top so you'll get notified whenever I put out a new video. And last but not least, all you longtime subscribers, thank you very much for hanging in there and all the thumbs up and all the comments. I appreciate it. So till I hear from somebody, I'm signing off for now.